Welcome to the fourth video of our lecture series of XDesign. So today we will discuss about the circle and the arcs. So first begin with the circle. I have selected center circle. Here I have to define the center location of the circle and I have to give the diameter, suppose 400. So now the diameter is defined. Now I have to select the position of the center. So suppose 300 in y direction and 300 in x direction. So like this, the position of the circle is defined and the radius or the diameter is also defined. So the two basic criteria to define the circle are first the position of center and second is the radius. Now we will see another. Now I am already positioning it at origin, so I don't have to position it. I don't have to give the dimension to position it. So I only have to give the radius. Suppose I am giving 500 mm as diameter, press OK. So our circles are formed. Now I'll show you the second type of circle, that is 3-point circle. So in the 3-point circle, you have to select 3 points to make a circle. Now suppose I have selected first point here, second point here, and third point. I have to define the diameter like this. So I'll go to smart dimension and define the diameter. $400. Now our sketch is fully defined. So we can use 3-point circle to draw a circle which coincides with the center of all 3 points. So you can use features to make the shapes of your requirements. So now circle is completed. Now we will see about the arcs. So there are 3 types of arc: 3-point arc, center arc, and tangent arc. So first look at center arc. It is same as this one, center circle. The only difference is you are going to create an arc instead of circle. So first give the radius and then take the position of wherever you want to start the arc, suppose like this and like this up to here. So the arc will be created of radius 450 from the positions which you have selected. Now you have to fully define the positions, end positions. So suppose I am giving it the dimension of 275 in y. So now this position is defined. I have to define the second one. So to define second one, I can use the same thing, or I can add relations between these two lines. Suppose I want to make them horizontal, so I will select them and make horizontal. Now it is fully defined. So I hope this center arc is clear to everyone. Now we will go to 3-point arc. So in 3-point arc, you have to select, it is same as 3-point circle. You have to select this endpoints like this and decide what will be the position and what will be the diameter or radius. Here I will add radius of 500 mm. Now radius is defined, but I have to fully define the positions, end positions. So there are two things. I have to fully define the center (300) and 75 in x direction. So now my center is fully defined. Now I have to define this. and I will also add relations. Now it is fully defined. Now comes the tangent arc rectangle. So for that, first I will erase all this. Suppose you have a rectangle like this and you want to draw an arc that is tangent to this line. So select this line and make an arc, and this arc will always be tangent to the selected line, that is this line. Draw in any direction and it will always be tangential like this. Now I have defined the radius, that will be 200. Now I have to define the position up to which it is. So either I can give the dimensions or I can use relations. So suppose I want to make this coincide to this, so I will use coincident relation, and it is coincident to this line. So I hope this one will be clear to you. You can make shapes like this using the arc feature. So now we have studied 3-point arc, center arc, tangent arc, and in circle we have studied the center circle and 3-point circle. So thank you for watching. In next lecture we will study the ellipse and polygon. So till then, practice all these steps and I hope you will continue this series. Thank you.